Indian Nursing Council da affiliate Touba Amasung Manipur Nursing Council na recognize Touraba Touba district ki Wangbol da Labor Royal School of Nursing ki Mari Suba batch ki ZNM Nursing Mairoi Singi capping lamp lightning Amasung or taking ki thoram ngarang school asigi auditorium da pangthokre thoram aduda former minister Dr. M. Narasingh District Hospital Thobal gi Nursing Superintendent Ais Chandrasaki Chanu Royal School of Nursing Wavagai gi President Dr. M. Rajendra Singh amadi Royal School of Nursing Wangbol gi Principal M. Sivarani na athoiba mitung sing oina sarukya ki thoram gi sarukamo oina mitunglan sing na luchingduna Malimna the lady with the lamp Florence Nightingale gi photo da laisukatuna ikai khumnaba utki loinana school asigi Mari Suba batch ki ZNM Nursing Mahiroibu school adugi principal M Sivani na or taking lauki